guys, welcome back to Kids Win 009 channel. Today we're going to have to play some Nerf gun toys. Start it. Okay, I have here a gun and 2 darts and also just to let's put this in the tunnel. Let's put one of the darts.
Pindutin ko na yung stop.
Then the basket just for getting it out the gun. Here is this. And 2 darts and also this. Whoa!
So there come also there and chicks. Go. Pindutin ko ulit. Ha?
Stop. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I hope you like our video. Bye.
Bye-bye.